Did you know there's a TikTok account that grew to 230,000 subscribers, and their videos pulled in millions of views just by posting AI-generated animal haircut videos? The best part? If you buy a pre-monetized TikTok account, you can start earning money from your very first upload. Here's what I've created. Let me show you exactly how to create these videos, step by step. Open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Animal Haircut Generator. This GPT is specially made for animals' haircut videos. Once you open it, simply click Start the generator to begin. Now, enter two things, an animal and a hairstyle. For this example, type Golden Retriever and Pompadour. Because this GPT is specifically trained for this purpose, it will automatically generate two image prompts, a prompt for a before image, a prompt for an after image, then a video animation prompt. Head over to a tool called Flow. At the bottom of the screen, switch the mode to Image. In the Models menu, select Nano Banana Pro. Paste your first image prompt, the before prompt, and hit Generate. These will be your before images, showing the animal with its original look. Then paste your second prompt, the after prompt, and generate again. Now you have both images, before and after the haircut. Now take that third prompt, the video animation prompt, and head to a platform called OpenArt. Go to the video section, then select Frame to Video. This feature lets you upload a starting frame and an ending frame, and the AI animates the transformation between them. In Models, every popular AI model is here. So if you get OpenArt, it's all in one tool. Alternatively, you can do this entirely inside Flow. Switch the mode from image to video. Drag your before image into the first frame slot. Drag your after image into the second frame slot. Paste the video prompt and generate. If the first result doesn't look perfect, just generate it again. It usually only takes 2 or 3 tries to get a smooth, satisfying transformation. And that's it. Your video is ready to post. Here are some other videos that I've generated using same method. Get yourself a monetized TikTok account, follow these steps, and you could be earning from your very first video.